Hi, welcome back to our channel of New Road Skin and Hair Clinic. These days, I see a lot of young patients coming to me concerned about early graying and its treatment. In this video, I would emphasize the causes and treatment of gray hairs, so watch till the end. Our hairs, like our skin, contain a pigment called melanin. It is produced deep in our hair roots and then distributed across the hair shaft, giving our hairs their natural color. It can be black, dark brown, blonde, or even red color. When this natural color changes to gray or white, it signals that we are graying. What happens in graying is that there is decreased production of melanin and less transfer of melanin to the hair strands. Eventually, all these melanocytes will deplete with complete loss of pigment, leading to white hairs. This is a normal sign of aging and happens slowly, and if it happens after 35 to 40 years, we say that you are aging gracefully and normally. But if graying occurs below the age of 30, then you should worry about it. It's called premature graying or canitis. What are the factors that cause graying? Genetics is the most important factor which decides when you start graying. If one of your parents had early graying, then there is a chance that you will also start graying at a very early age. And of course, aging also plays a large role. As we reach 40 and 50 age, our melanocytes lose the ability to produce melanin. There is something called 50-50-50 rule. It says that 50% of population will have 50% of gray hairs by the age of 50. Next factor is vitamins and nutritional deficiency. Vitamin B6 and B12 deficiency can lead to early graying. Trace elements like iron, zinc, copper, selenium, if deficient, can lead to graying. Severe malnutrition, especially protein energy malnutrition, can develop gray hairs. Some autoimmune diseases like vitiligo and hypothyroidism and pernicious anemia can also lead to early graying. Apart from these medical conditions, genetics and aging, one major impactful reason for gray hairs is excessive stress. It has been noticed that when an individual is in stressful condition, like loss of dear ones, financial loss, or acute illness, he tends to gray very fast. In this stressful condition, there is something called oxidative stress at the cellular level, which releases reactive oxygen species, which causes death of melanocytes and ultimately resulting in gray hair. This oxidative stress can also occur with UV radiation, smoking, pollution, and also due to normal aging process. Studies in mice have shown that if they are kept under constant flight and fight response, they will go graying very fast. Examples in our daily lives are Indian cricket team captains like Dhoni and Kohli, whose hairs turned grey very fast after they became captains of Indian cricket team. So is there anything which we can do to stop or slow the process of graying? The answer is no. There is no definitive treatment to reverse graying hairs. There are newer treatments which are under experimental trials. In near future can reverse hair graying. Some physicians have tried a new calcium pantothenate and PABA, which helps in reducing the gray. Arbitrary use of multivitamins like biotin can reduce this hair graying. Green tea, polyphenols, melatonin, arachidonic acid, and certain antioxidants are known to slow the process of graying. New molecule called plastoquinone has been observed, which enters mitochondria and slows the process of aging, including graying of hairs. In a study published in JAMA Dermatology, patients receiving treatment for lung cancer started to see their hairs turning black. The drugs that were used were anti-programmed cell death inhibitor. The results are still in experimental phase and they can be tried as newer anti-graying hairs. Melitene is a new molecule which is an agonist of alpha MSH, which stimulates the melanogenesis in the melanocytes and can turn the gray hairs to black. But it will act only in the early age. That is, the studies have shown only it works under 8 to 25 years of age. By far, the best you can do is to lead a healthy lifestyle and reduce stress in your body. If you are still unable to control the graying and want to appear younger, dyeing your hairs is the best option. There is no harm dyeing or coloring your hairs. That's it about the gray hairs, causes and treatment. For more such information, please like, follow and subscribe our channel. Thank you.